You can only claim your kids so much before they grow up and go away. Next, you have to use debt. You have to use good debt that buys the assets. Use the assets now, or you can invest with somebody like me who's going to use debt to buy the assets, and we're going to raise capital with our investors, and we're going to partner, and you get the benefits of that debt buying the asset, right? Because that's leverage. Next, only invest in something that cash flows. I will not buy something that doesn't make money day one. It has to pay for the expenses, it has to cover the debt, and it has to have some money left over on the return to return money on the money that we're putting down. That's the goal. That's how it's always worked. That's how we'll continue to work, my friend. Let's go. Next, never sell. Like we need to exit a deal. I have in my fund that it's a 7 to 10 year fund, but my decision, I will continue on, right? Because what's happened right now, it's a bad market. This is a terrible time to sell your asset. The only people who have to sell are timed out of their fund and their institutions. They don't care. They're just going to go raise more money from who? CalPERS, from more pension funds, more sovereign funds, more endowment funds. That they're just going to go get more money. They're going to exit those deals, but they don't want to, but they have to because that's the mandate or the bylaws of their fund or their investors. Like that's how this game works. So they never sell. They use leverage. They're going to refinance or they're going to recapitalize with a new investor or a new bank. And last but not least, they will only buy what they can write off: cars, planes, jets, which is planes, everything that they do, trips, friends, dinners. They won't even go to dinner with their own wives without bringing somebody else with them so they can write the dinner off with very clear intention that they were doing business because they were. It's not tax evasion. This is the tax advantages that you want to take advantage of, like I was telling my boy Mark. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you because the wealthy are just playing a whole different game. You can play it too. There's a difference between being an institutional investor and a retail investor, but how do you play the game and win it? Like I'm competing I want to compete against Wall Street. I don't want the everyday person like dependent on Wall Street for their retirement in the future. I don't want that. I don't want it for myself. I don't want it for my kids. I don't want it for my wife. So I'm doing something different. Even at the age of 51 years old, I didn't know this when I was 21, 22 years old. Now that I'm in my 50s and I've had some experience in real estate, I can see the future and I can see what I didn't know. Now that I'm studying the right people, I'm not studying people, I'm studying companies. And I'm building a company to rival Wall Street because I want to take the little guy and we all come together and we score. That's how this game works because I want to have us having this conversation with our own kids. So, anyways, like this video, share the video, comment on this video, give it a thumbs up or give it a thumbs down. Don't be a hater and a hider at the same time. But I wanted to share this with you guys. Like the wealthy people don't invest in the same things we do. There's a reason. And I just shared them with you what the benefits and advantages of so you can take advantage of them with me or you can do it yourself. You go to bell-capital.com. That's bell-capital.com. You can either hit the button that says get started, see our open fund. You got to be accredited, great attitude, love real estate, long-term thinker, or you can schedule a call with somebody, myself or somebody on my team. We'll answer any questions you have about your current situation or situation. What if you want to get started, great. If you don't, follow me, stick around, keep watching, but I'm going to go and I'm going to play this game and I will not play a game I cannot win. All right. So let me know how I can help. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day today. Boom.